Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Atrox, and a couple days ago I hired some prostitutes, and we were gonna have sex, but I lasted 1 minute, so I decided why not spend another hour with them, playing Gmod. So here I have Carl Wheezer and Andrew Tate as our special guests today. So would you like to say anything, Andrew Tate? Where are we, Andrew Tate?
We're in the top G shit, but other than that, you do know it's No Nut November, right?
Oh yeah, no, yeah. How's everyone doing in No Nut November so far?
I'm obviously doing good.
Jimmy's mom and I nutted.
The fuck up. You're not top G, bitch.
Oh fuck! Oh my god!
I felt No Nut November as soon as I thought of Jimmy's mom.
Jesus! Slap!
Oh my gosh! Carl Wheezer, where are we?
Where are we?
I don't know. I was shoved into a van, and on the side of it said Jimmy's mom, and I don't know where we are.
All right. Clearly, Andrew Tate saw some fucking alpha male shit. Open the door! God damn it! God. Alright, let's go downstairs. I think we're in one of those SCP buildings.
Oh shit.
I don't know what that is.
Me neither, Jimmy, me neither.
Oh.
I'm scared. Jimmy, my name's Carl Wheezer.
Some bitch.
Oh, fuck you, you fucking dick. Alright,
Oh, I'm
whatever.
sorry, Juan. Oh wait, is your name Juan? No, it's not. It's Paul. You don't like that, do you?
No, what the fuck? Every
It just
part of that
hurt
was racially
screaming.
motivated.
I just heard screaming. I'm scared.
Where are you guys? How far did you guys go down?
Dude,
I
we're
don't
going
know.
down.
It doesn't
Bro, it
stop.
feels like fucking Chainsaw Man when they're stuck on the 8th floor and shit, bro.
Oh, what's Chainsaw Man?
Shut up.
I only watch Nickelodeon on the weekends.
Dude, I keep hearing screaming. Someone's like having sex down there.
I don't think that's sex. Jimmy's mom doesn't let me get close to her.
Wonder why? It's because you're not a top G like me.
why.
Because you don't have a Bugatti. What color is your Bugatti? Not
Never
that
mind.
fucking racist, but like, what the fuck?
There's like a dead fucking body right here. What the fuck?
It's probably mine.
No, it's literally a dead fucking body. And there's a
Not like, I
body.
mean, it's like,
Jesus Christ, I don't
this was my assistant. She didn't give me the right color Bugatti, so I killed her.
Holy shit! What the fuck is wrong with you, Andrew Tate?
Bro, it's in limited edition, bro. What are you on about? Top G shit. You wouldn't understand because you're a
All
fucking
right.
lizard. Look at
There's
you.
a big. Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. What about me being a lizard? Fuck you. Alright.
Hello.
The fuck?
Okay, what's the...
This shit don't work.
How do I?
You're beating
Fuck
me,
this.
cunt.
It's not working. Oh shit!
I got this. Alright, so
Are you kidding? Oh shit! Wait, the lights are off.
fuck!
The lights are
Oh,
off.
I died. I
We
don't know
died.
what killed me.
Wait. Go this way.
I'm dying.
The lights are off now.
What the fuck?
Oh shit! There's boxes. What the fuck?
No. Yeah, they were protecting... Ow.
Did you not see what happened though?
Yeah, the boxes were protecting me when I was killing the SCPs. I'm
Jeez,
going
man.
left.
Alright.
Wait, there's a doorway.
Hold on.
Come back.
Wait. He says.
Come on, bro.
Where the
You
fuck
gotta
are you?
explore. You just passed by me, cunt. Yeah, we gotta explore these. Bro, pause. This your fucking slightly used gaming chair, bro?
Yeah, dude.
Shit, yeah.
God, that shit musty, bro.
Hey, leave it alone. I try my best.
Yeah.
Try your
don't-
best
don't
with
touch
what,
me.
bro? Fucking leave it fucking stained and shit?
I
shit
had a
out of
couple
you,
of
bro.
accidents, alright? I had a couple
Me.
bingings.
Okay, nothing in here. Nothing in here.
Damn, bro, this is like the same room they sent me at the
No!
hospital. Look, it's the same room
hello.
they sent me at the
Hey,
hospital.
look,
Oh,
there's a
wow.
dead body in here. Look, the door opened by itself, and there's a dead body inside.
That's one of my haters.
What'd they do?
Said that my fucking Bugatti looked like shit. Like,
Oh,
bro,
what
you
the
don't have a Bugatti. What
Understandable.
do you know?
Oh, that makes sense.
The hell's down here?
Alright.
I don't know.
Bro, I'm fucking hearing like
Whoa, what
voices
the
in my
fuck?
ears. What the?
Oh, hello. Oh, God. Run.
What
It's a
happened?
PNG run. It's a fuck. Open the door, you bastard. It's a PNG run.
Whoa! I don't see no PNG.
Go down, you fuck.
Go down. It's a PNG to the
What
left.
the fuck is that?
Is that Winnie the Pooh?
Dude, is that John F. Kennedy?
He's in the way.
Oh,
What the fuck? What the hell happened to you?
the PNG killed me.
Yeah, bro. Nice. Oh!
Oh
I can
shit!
see myself.
I can't see myself. I could. Oh shit! Oh shit! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
Come back.
Oh.
It works now.
Oh, hey, it's me!
It's the black man.
Oh shit.
What?
Ah!
Oh, fuck you! Close the door! Jesus Christ! Ah!
I was feeling no.
Oh, you kid! Damn you fucking random hobos using my shirt.
Fuck you!
Fuck you!
I was feeling no November. You guys interrupted.
What am I, Elvis? Did I fight in the fucking toilet?
Damn, look at you, bro. Yeah, bro,
Oh,
you
hell.
took a fat dookie, didn't you? Look at that shit.
Oh, damn.
What the fuck?
What the fuck was that?
Why is the mirror fucking like...
I don't know. It just screwed up. Look at the mirror.
Wait, what happened to the mirror? Oh
I
shit!
don't know.
Okay.
You guys like, get the fuck out. I'm trying to take a fat shit, dog.
I'm feeling no November.
Alright.
No shitting on the toilet. No shitting in the...
Oh shit. I think that's a dead end. Should we try going back this way?
Yeah, let's go this way.
Yeah.
Oh! Guys, that's
Oh, no,
alarm
one
anyone? There's a
Oh.
fucking SCP here.
Get out of here.
Oh! Did you kill it?
Yeah.
Did you kill it? I didn't know you
Yeah.
could kill
No.
that son of a bitch. Andrew Tate just
kill the
killed SCPs. Alright, come on, we gotta keep going. We gotta escape out of here. Oh, fuck! Ah! I got raped! Fuck all you!
Like the PNG stretched out on in the side. Look at that.
What if we just move it?
You can't. It kills you.
Alright, everybody no clip. Oh!
Why'd you go through the thing? It kills you. I just said that.
Alright, we
think
made
I
it through
moved
that fucking piece of
Damn
shit
it.
guy.
I think
Yeah.
I moved it.
Yeah,
I think
fuck.
I moved it.
Fuck! Alright, come on, let's go.
I got my trusty sniper. We're good.
The fuck?
Wait, what the fuck? Why are you luring me here? Oh, why are you luring me in? My
You
bad.
follow me, dumb bitch. Let's
Oh,
get
yeah,
on
I
that
did
real
you.
top G shit.
Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Hey, no! Wait, oh, crap. Guys, look, I made it. Where the fuck
Let's
are
go.
we? Holy shit, it's an SCP.
I'm gonna give it a hug.
Give it a hug.
Oh, I think this is the one that moves when you don't look at it. So I'm gonna just turn around. Everybody, oh shit. it's
Oh
right
shit,
there.
there's another one.
Okay, so-
Everybody start beating the shit out of it.
Oh, there they are.
What?
Oh, okay, they moved. I hear movement.
Oh, here's one.
Type in the phone.
It's not working. It's not working. Oh!
Oh, damn. It went through the damn SCP and killed you.
Oh, it disappeared. Oh, Paul.
Oh shit, it's behind me. Here, I got a nice little present for it. Wait, what the fuck?
I just pressed the button at the bottom of the fucking
Ah,
thing. I
get
don't
out
know
of
what
the way! Dude, guys, not to alarm anyone, but it like shit its pants.
I'm
Oh,
too
he's
scared to
mad.
look.
He's mad.
Oh fuck. You pissed it off.
Bitch, won't fucking do something. Damn, Paul, why are you sucking it off?
Wait. Ah! It disappeared again. Where'd it go?
Right there.
This piece of shit thing, dude. Oh! Oh my god, guys, look, it's Goku!
Oh, damn.
I'm sure nothing bad's gonna happen. Wait, another. Oh!
I was trying to kill Goku. You got in the fucking way. I'm sorry. How doesn't he die?
He's not dying.
How doesn't he die? What the fuck?
You know, considering we all got kidnapped and dragged here, we all have a lot of weapons.
Yeah, that is surprising.
Oh shit, they're right behind us.
Before all, let's go. Oh, wait, what is? There you go.
Oh look, it's Drip Goku. Oh shit! Wait, they're both. Wait,
Yeah.
wait.
Hold on, I got it.
more interesting.
I got,
Oh, what the
I
fuck?
got a solution.
It's the Colossus of Rhodes from God of War 2! Hey, what's up, buddy? Hey, how you doing? Dang, there's a bunch of SCPs around here.
Where? Let's kill it.
Kill it! Guys, there's
take forever.
only one thing to do. It was a nice journey with all of you, but I'm sorry.
Oh.